Alright, what's up guys? How you guys doing today? So today we are going to be working on this motor. Well, gonna be taking out this motor because this motor is just a piece of junk. And putting in that other motor that's way over here. Let's see. It's over here. And also, I don't know if you guys knew this yet, but I am gonna be getting surgery next week on a Thursday. So yeah.
Which makes me upset.
Yes. So I'm gonna be out of commission for like a week. I'm gonna be more behind on videos like I am now. I'm like extremely behind. So, and if you guys wondering who it is, this is my. I'm on a live stream right now. This is Ethan. My friend.
See if I can set this up. There we go.
So. This is just a little bit. I'm just doing this live stream. He's on the live stream because he's trying to learn a little bit of behind the scenes of what I do to make videos and edits and stuff like that. So yeah, let's get right into the video. All right. Well, I'm actually going to because just taking this motor off is just a little like boring. So I'm probably just gonna do like a little time lapse. Be taking this motor off. So this will be fun.
Well, I'm gonna stay on.
The what?
I might stay on my live stream.
Alright. So yeah. That's cool. You caught me off guard, dude. So we're just gonna do a little time lapse of me taking this motor off because it's gonna be really boring just sitting here watching me take this motor apart. So yeah, onto the time lapse. Alright, so guys, I just ended the time lapse and got one bolt off the motor. Right now I'm taking off the chain off the motor. I'll loosen up the rear end so I can get that chain off to take some pressure off of it. And then I'm gonna get this motor off, get the wire harness off, and once I get the whole motor off, I'll get back to you guys. So guys, I literally just got this motor out. I have the starter out and everything. So we're gonna get this other motor in here. And by the way, I'm cutting this off. Oh, thank you. I'm cutting this off right here. Cause who needs a good muffler? Who needs a muffler? Like no one needs a muffler. No one needs an exhaust. No one needs a muffler at all. Never. Ever in my life I'm putting a muffler back on that thing. So here's the carburetor bolts and everything. Carburetor's off. Carburetor's sitting right there for the motor. I had to take the starter off because why not? You got throttle right there. Since I ghetto rigged this starter up, it's got these weird looking bolts in there. So we're gonna get this other motor in here. I'm probably gonna get back to you guys when I get the motor in. Probably gonna do a time lapse, maybe the whole thing. I don't know yet, but I don't know how this motor's gonna fit in there yet. Also, if you're wondering why I have this the ratchet strap onto this door, to the freaking this door. It's because there was some creepy crap going on last night. And I kind of just locked myself in the shed. So I kind of took the ratchet strap and kind of just basically just locked myself in the shed. And it's tight. It's tight. This bay door is locked from the outside, and this door is not. So that door I just ratchet strapped to that door, so nobody can get in. And then it's getting colder outside. It's like 30. It's like 30 below now. So I'll get back to you guys whenever I get the motor in and running, maybe. So see you guys. I said turn on. No, turn it off. Turn it off. All right, so guys, we just got this other motor on here, so.
There's something using this.
Just quiet. So we just got this other motor in here. Idiotic motor.
Finally joins.
Here's the old motor here.
Here's the go-kart I'm supposed to be working on.
Yes.
Get a good video, get a good picture of green eyes.
So we're gonna get. I guess I'll get back to you guys when this thing's running. So.
No. Switch off.
All right, you're good to go. Alright, stop.
What's wrong? Brake clean? Shoot some brake clean into her.
I'm an idiot, bro.
What?
Spark plug wire.
You ready?
Oh.
Sounds like it's on.
Now try it. Idiotic moron. What was that? Alright, stop.
When does she know when to start?
Can't brake clean.
I'm gonna Shoot it into the carburetor, not on me this time. That wasn't a joke.
Yes!
Oh!
Yeah, buddy. Oh!
You should give me a little bit.
There's barely any gas in it. Yes, dude. Yes. Yes.
Now we just gotta get the lights on, and we're good to go.
Put more gas in it.
Yes.
Put more gas in it. Yes. Guys, yes.
I'm excited. Go get the 90cc.
The 90?
But whatever you said, you told me to get the 90cc.
The 94 wheeler.
Yeah, 90cc 4-wheeler.
Remember the oil?
Oh fuck. Yeah. That's right.
Language, bro. Bleep that out. Beep.
Go ahead, beep it out. I don't care. You can beep it out. God damn, dude.
Alright, good.
Put a little more in.
Yeah, put it down. Tilt it.
Oh yeah, it's good. I guess that would be good.
Don't put it in front of the heater, dude.
Put it beside it, dumbass. Put a little more. Enough to start her. Should we push her out? Oh wait, chain's not on.
Keep going. Come on, baby. Keep going. Stop.
What was that?
The battery's dying.
Let's move this out of the way. We'll pull it up.
Up your butt. Around the corner. Guys, okay, so we're going for our first startup. Yo! Excited. Yes! Whoa, what the freak? It shoots clean. Here, record. Are you taking it for a ride? Alright, so let's put this battery on trickle charge.
We're going to get that charging.
Alright, so guys.
We might possibly get that tire fill up because I'm going to follow him on something.
Explain. So, we're gonna get this chain on. We're gonna tighten up the rear end, tighten up the chain and stuff like that, and we'll take it for a joyride. So we'll get back to you guys whenever it's fully running and stuff like that. And
I might follow him on the dirt bike.
I'm not getting out the dirt bike. It's dark.
Fuck.
Language.
All right. Beep.
All right, shut it off.
All right. Ah, crap! I forget how to stop.
You give me.
Yeah.
Hey.
All right. We're filming. What's up, guys? Random him here, and
Are you even recording?
Yeah, I am. See? See? Random family, I just got this 110cc motor running from my old 4-wheeler. And wait till you hear, since now it's straight piped. But we might have to tighten the chain.
No, the chain's fine.
Alright. It's hard to see you. Lighting.
Oh, let's get this couple of blocks. Come on,
Let's also get this sucker.
No, because I want to show them the
Let's also get this.
backfire.
This sucker's gonna be a big backfire. You know that. Oi, why don't we put it on the ATV stand?
Hey, dummy, it works perfectly fine.
All right.
Maybe not. Frick. tire.
All right. We're still coming. There you go. Need some help? Hey. He got it. Nope.
Frick.
Yep. Should've known. No, it works for fine. It's plastic, don't forget. Let's get the sucker.
Alright, film me riding.
Well, what about this? I wanted to follow you. Hey, bye guys. Terrible, you can see nothing. Oh! Dude, that thing has so much power. Dude, that thing has so much power now.
What?
That's so much power. That is the biggest spark.
It did a wheel.
What's that ticking?
What?
Ticking.
Fine.
When you had it, there's the ticking.
That's just the wheel, please.
Oh. Alright. I want to get this 212 tire up. We're gonna get this tire blown up. Right, people? Dude, I think it has so much. You guys can't see him, but if I were to have a light on this 212 that I'm planning on riding, what?
Got stuck.
Should this have to go? Oh wow, that's going down quick. Hey!
What? Holding air?
A little bit.
Yo, it's so exciting. Film me, film me,
But
film me,
look-
film me. I'm so excited, I'm so excited.
But that's leaking air slowly now.
Huh?
It's leaking air slowly. You can hear it. Yep, there goes. What?
Alright guys, so we got it running, so that's gonna be it for today guys. Thanks for watching. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe. So I post notifications on another video. Be sure to smash that like button. Just, also guys, go subscribe to All Season Orc. Link be down in the description below. Go subscribe. Go follow my Facebook page and Facebook group. Link be down in the description below. Go follow my Twitter. Link be down in the description below. Go follow my Instagram. Link be down in the description below.
TikTok and Likey.
TikTok, Likey, all descriptions down below. Everything down in the description below. Go follow it. See you in the next one. Bye.